How to grow neem plant from seeds. The most effective method to grow a neem tree. Neem is a solid tree that can endure temperatures up to 120 F. 50 C. Nonetheless, expanded cool climate with temperatures underneath 35 F. 5 C will make the tree drop its clears out. The tree won't endure colder temperatures, wet atmospheres or delayed dry season. That being stated, on the off chance that you can find crisp neem tree seeds, you can grow a tree inside in a pot loaded with great quality, very much depleted gardening soil. Outside, plant crisp neem seeds specifically in the ground. Or then again begin them in plate or pots and transplant them outside at around 3 months. On the off chance that you approach developed trees, you can establish the cuttings in pre-winter or late fall. Neem tree growth and care. Neem trees require a lot of splendid daylight. The tree's advantage from general dampness, yet be mindful so as not to overwater, as the tree won't endure wet feet or ineffectively depleted soil. Enable the dirt to dry between each watering. Feed the tree about once multi-month in spring and summer. Utilizing a light use of any great quality, adjusted compost or a weakened arrangement of water-dissolvable manure. You can likewise apply a weakened fish emulsion. Planting seeds. Plant neem seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch somewhere down in singular pots loaded with seed beginning blend. The seeds require a reliable temperature in the vicinity of 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit to develop well. Fog the dirt with water at whatever point it begins to dry out to mid-germination and development. You can likewise begin seeds outside in a nursery bed in warm atmospheres. Select a recognized that gets dappled shade to shield the seedlings from coordinate sun amid early development and improvement. Establishing cuttings. Cuttings, either from the roots or new softwood development, will deliver new roots in the correct condition. Cuttings require a predictable temperature of 65 to 75 F. The most ideal approach to establish cuttings is in a pot loaded with a soilless establishing medium or sterile establishing manure. In warm atmospheres, you can establish cuttings outside in a nursery bed. When establishing cuttings outside, select a detect that gets dappled shade. Root cuttings. Root cuttings are areas of the roots, 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick and 2 to 4 inches in length. To plant the cuttings, stick them into the establishing medium vertically, sufficiently profound so the best end is 1/4 inch beneath the surface of the dirt. You can uncover a couple of the littler, external roots without harming the neem tree. Flourish cuttings in pre-winter or late fall. Shoot cuttings. Shoot cuttings are delicate, new development taken in spring when neem trees are currently developing. Take 4-inch long cuttings from the tip of another branch or development. You can squeeze off the base leaves, however leave the best set on the cutting. Shoot cuttings root best in a sticky situation, similar to a nursery. In the event that you don't have a nursery, you can make an alternative one by flipping around an unmistakable plastic pack over the cutting and attaching it around the lip of the pot with an elastic band. Evacuate the plastic pack to water and afterwards supplant it. Dampness will get caught inside the plastic and will be consumed by the cutting clears out.